Yo, it's your boy Bruno Marinello, host of Cheap Friggin Eats. But I am with the chef. Do you see these guns, ladies? The chef, the White House chef, the man, Chef Andre. Now, Andre, my show is all about bachelors being able to cook an amazing meal on the cheap that'll still really impress a young lady. What would you advise if you're on a budget but you still really want to make a mark? What do you think?
That's simple. Chicken's always cheap. Cut it open, get a breast, stuff it with some nice cheap vegetables.
It's a family show here. This guy knows what he's doing.
Wrap it in a little bacon, get a couple let's do a risotto and a couple vegetables, and that's a wrap.
Madon, that sounds friggin' delicious. But for all of us at Cheap Friggin Eats, this is Bruno Marinello and Chef Andre Rush saying hashtag
This friggin' guy.